This is one of the best preserved ancient Greek temples in the world. We're at Paestum in southern Italy, and this is the temple of Neptune. Neptune, the Roman god of the sea. The Greek god equivalent was Poseidon. It's called the Temple of Neptune, but it's not actually sure which god this temple was dedicated to. But we know that it was completed, it was constructed in the 5th century BC, just over 100 years after Paestum was founded by Greek settlers. And the Greeks called this place Poseidonia, after the god that was closely associated with this city, Poseidon, god of the sea. Now, this temple is one of the best examples of Doric architecture, with those Doric style fluted columns and those rounded capitals on top. You've got 2 rows of these Doric columns. You've got this central area here, the Cella or the Naus. This was where the cult statue of the god would have been, the sacred heart of the temple. The temple was the house of the god. Then you have an exterior line of these Doric columns. You have the pediment out front. You have a line of triglyphs and places where the metopes would have been if they were there originally. They don't survive. But also what you have here, which is really interesting, is a second level of columns. This temple was multi-story. It had 2 floors, and you can even see the remains of the staircase right near the front as you leave. But here you have, in southern Italy at Paestum, one of the best preserved ancient Greek temples in the world.